Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be talking about Brackets. And Brackets is an open source text editor from the people at Adobe, and they say it's a modern open source text editor that understands web design. So it actually is one of the few products by Adobe that you can get on Linux right now. So if you go over to the release page, and you can get to the release page by going to brackets.io and then click the other downloads button, and this will take you here where I'm at. So officially they only support Ubuntu, but there is a source code available, and I'm sure that someone is working on a way to convert packages. In fact, if I go over here, I'm going to be very surprised if I don't see... Yeah, see, here we go. See, the Arch people, they have a package, and I'm sure that other distributions have worked on that as well. In any case, if you want to get this working on Ubuntu or Debian, click on the 64-bit or 32-bit link right here. This will start. If you're like me, you can click open when done, and this will automatically open this Debian package right in the package installer. And from here we can install it. If you're using Ubuntu, it'll open in the Software Center. If you want to install it with the terminal, you can use the instructions in the article that we have down below to do all of that. Anyway, click the install button, and you should be able to enter your password. I actually don't need to enter my password because I've already been using sudo earlier, but it will go through and install the Debian package right to your system, and you can actually see what it's doing here if you look at this. And pretty soon we will be able to use the Brackets open source text editor. So if we search for Brackets, we see it's right here, and this is the Brackets editor. You can use it. They have little individual information, like getting started tutorials. They've got a ton of stuff you can use. It's a very good editor for web design, and if you are a web developer on Linux, you probably should check it out. Anyways, guys, please check the article in the description. Like I said, Brackets is pretty cool. It's a great Adobe product, and I will see you in the next video.